Hey, we just wanted to welcome you to our newest listing, 3572C South Kittredge Street in Aurora. And it's Cherry Creek Schools, move-in ready, 3-bed, 2-bath, and it's in this lovely Mission Viejo neighborhood, Seville Townhomes. So this is just a wonderful, updated, fresh carpet, fresh paint, lots of light coming in, and ready for you to just, come in and unpack. I mean, there's nothing to do. So if you're in a hurry, this is the spot. Kitchen, new granite countertops, newer, updated appliances, and again, lots of light. You can overlook the back patio courtyard from the kitchen. You've got a main floor laundry, just steps from the kitchen, and just steps to the dining area from the kitchen, and a spacious open floor plan there between the dining and living areas. Main floor powder room, and then upstairs you've got a primary bedroom that adjoins this full bath that's been completely cleaned up and updated. 2 more guest bedrooms, lots of light, and then open space in front of the unit. You've got this wonderful courtyard, private with fencing, oversized garage, Seville Townhomes, walking distance to Mission Viejo Park.